You are given a chance to act here. But according to your act, it will be judged what you are going to have in your next life. That is your problem. No, don't make this life of 50 years, 60 years, or 70 years, or 100 years as all in all. You have got a continuous life of transmigration from one body to another. It is going on. We must know that. And here is a chance to stop this nonsense of transmigrating from one body to another and suffer the material miseries. Here is a chance. And how that chance we are going to utilize, that we have already discussed. Tattadeham punarjanma naiti mameti kaunteya. If somebody simply studies critically the transcendental nature of Krishna, the transcendental nature of his activities, simply by knowing this, the benefit will be that tattadeham, after quitting this body, you are not again going to have such a material body, but tattadeham punarjanma, you are not going to take your birth again in the womb of a mother of this material nature. Just believe it. It is standard